We like very much this place. We feel very homely, and I express my sincere thanks to the Honorable CM and his team for kind hospitality, for taking us very care. We got a good treatment here, so I would like to thank once again our CM. And our meeting is very fruitful. We have a very good interaction, and from now onwards, we will work together between the Khasi Autonomous District Council and the Tripura Autonomous District Council.
त्रिपुरा में आके कौन से जगह पे आप लोग विजिट किया?
We have visited yesterday to that Khasi village. We have met. We are very happy to meet our people who stay here in Tripura. They are in one village. There are 28 families, and in another village there are around 10 families. So we have met them. We have a meeting with them. They have expressed us their problems, and I have conveyed a message to the Honorable CM. And from the district council, they will take all possibility to take care of them.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. We'll really miss you.
Yes.
Okay.
I will be in touch.
So yeah, we should keep in touch. Yeah.
Sir. Our license officer is already inside.
Okay, thank you.
be in touch with us.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
सामान तो देख लिया ना? हाँ देख लिया. Okay.
Clear? Saman है clear. Just saman जाना.